Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team. In this video, I will walk you through on how to configure an iFrame element inside Cheetah. So what is an iFrame and when would you use it? An iFrame is like a placeholder. Think of it as a frame that holds specific HTML coding to help embed other elements inside of another web page using a frame. So for example, some of the BUILDERALL tools provide you with an embed code so that your tool will properly display inside your web page. So here we are inside Cheetah on a blank panel. So let's go in and actually add the iFrame element by going to Add, selecting Elements. Again, these are all alphabetized, so let's go down to iFrame. Now you're going to see a little map area, so what we want to do is just left click with your mouse and drag. And now we have a rectangle here. So next what we want to do is just right click inside the rectangle to identify the element. It is showing you that this is an iFrame and the properties of the element are being identified right here. Let's go ahead and close the general settings area. Now the rest of the options here, or the rest of the properties, are going to be very similar to other elements. You can go in and adjust the size, the minimum size, the maximum width on a tablet, the border, the roundness of the border, the animation, tag configuration, and advanced. Now your advanced option is pretty important when you're dealing with an iFrame, because you may be pulling code from maybe third-party apps and then inserting it here. And to help avoid having to go back, logging into those third-party apps and grabbing that code, what you could do is just simply, once you've entered everything inside your iFrame, go down here, enter a description of your element, and then save it to your personal elements area. Okay? And so once you save it, again, it's going to show up under personal and under elements.